Guys, I'm going to teach you how to make this glow in the dark slime by making some greens, a little small batch of green slime, and making, and you can either buy it or either make it, but yeah, I made mine, but I'm gonna just tell you how you can buy it. So you want to buy some Flarp noise putty, just get 2 of them. And for one, you want yellow, and for the other one, you want green. And that's when you need to, like, sorry, I just got distracted by the slime. Alright, that's when you need to take a little bit of the green out and leave a small batch of it. And yeah, but I don't have, this is my example, but I don't have the rest of it, so I won't be making it on camera though. So I'll just act like this is the green and yellow slime. So, alright guys, so first you want to take your putties, and that's when, or your slime. You want to take your yellow, your green one out and place that in a separate section. And then you want to take your other kind, your yellow. Alright, you want to take your yellow slime, which is the biggest one. Alright, and you want to just spread it out with your hands. Alright. Alright, and then you want to take your other slime and place it in the middle, and take your biggest slime and fold it down. And you can poke it, do whatever to do whatever it takes to make it mix together. You can do that. You can do like squeezing it like that. It doesn't matter until it gets into like a neon green, and then it should be able to glow in the dark. Alright, I'm trying to cover the light so you guys can see it glow in the dark. Close, light, close. Right, it's still coming down. Alright, I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. The question of the day is, what is your favorite part of this activity? And make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Please like, comment, and subscribe, because I really want a whole lot of subscribers so I can be a YouTuber. So, yeah. Slime puddle.